I got Nintendo 3DS, and the issue only is the customer need to replace the thumbstick for the stick. In this video, I will try to replace the thumbstick. If this is the first time watch me, I fix video games and computers, so don't forget to give me a like. So let's start. First thing first, I need to open 5 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The next step, open this cover. Alright, they have more 7 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So let's open them. Alright, all 7 screws is open. Alright, just be careful, they have 2 ribbon cables for the button. Okay, this one is already open, and they have one here. There you go. Now I need to work on this side. I need to take the stick. They have 2 screws here. Alright, I need to work here. They have a plastic piece here, so just be careful when you take the stick. That's it. Alright, let's take this plastic piece. It's easy. Just be careful. And this is brand new thumbstick. Let's install it. That's it. Alright, so let's return all the parts back and test. I return the stick and return both screws. Now I will return the back cover, and don't forget they have 2 ribbon cables. Alright, the job is done. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment.